Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of these Royal Asia vegetable spring rolls. And these are vegan, as you can see. This was at COSTCO, okay? So, and we'll see how well they taste. And it has edamame in there and says handcrafted quality ingredients. Well, we'll see. That's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And ingredients. Check that out. So they do use some nice ingredients there. And let's check on this side. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, so what they have here is they have the sauces. Check this out. And then there's your spring rolls. They're not individually wrapped or anything, if you guys want to, but they're in a nice package. They're actually not that big either. They're like this tiny. They're like mini spring rolls. All right, let's cook it up. Okay, so this is what they look like when they're cooked. Let's do a quick taste test. Here's the sauce that comes with it. They're actually quite good. You can actually taste like the individual vegetables in there, so they're not like all powdered up mush or anything. Yeah, it's actually really good, decent. Definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. It has a subtle sweet taste to it because of the carrots and stuff like that are in there. The dressing is just a soy ginger. Okay, see you in more videos, guys.